Hello, and welcome to our channel, Best Books Club, where we review and summarize some of the best books out there. Fourth Wing by Rebecca Yarros. Fourth Wing is set against the backdrop of the United States Air Force Academy, where the protagonist, Jagger Talbot, is a cadet. Jagger is a gifted pilot and has always known that she wants to fly planes. The book follows her journey through the academy, where she experiences love, loss, and betrayal, all while trying to excel in her studies and training. The story starts with Jagger arriving at the academy, where she meets her roommate, the beautiful and charming Kinsley. Jagger is immediately drawn to Kinsley and the two become fast friends. Kinsley introduces Jagger to her group of friends, who are all part of the Fourth Wing, the elite group of cadets who are the best of the best at the academy. Jagger quickly realizes that the Fourth Wing is not just about being the best academically and physically, but it is also about power and control. She is warned by Kinsley's ex-boyfriend, Grayson, who is also a Fourth Wing cadet, to stay away from the group and not to get involved with them. However, Jagger finds herself drawn to them and becomes determined to join their ranks. As Jagger works hard to prove herself and make it into the Fourth Wing, she also falls in love with Grayson. However, their relationship is fraught with tension and secrets, and Jagger soon realizes that Grayson and the Fourth Wing are involved in some shady activities. Jagger is torn between her love for Grayson and her loyalty to her fellow cadets, and she must navigate the complex web of relationships and power dynamics at the academy to figure out where she truly belongs. As she uncovers the truth about the Fourth Wing and its members, Jagger must decide whether to stay loyal to her friends or to do what is right. The book is a thrilling ride through the world of the United States Air Force Academy, and Rebecca Yarros does an excellent job of capturing the tension and drama of life as a cadet. The characters are well drawn and complex, and the plot is full of twists and turns that will keep you on the edge of your seat. Hope you enjoyed this summary of Fourth Wing by Rebecca Yarros. This book is a must-read for anyone who loves a good thriller and is interested in the world of the U.S. Air Force Academy. So, if you haven't already, go grab a copy and immerse yourself in the world of Jagger Talbot. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel, Best Books Club, for more book reviews and summaries.